Let's do a review practice of our quizzes for May 1st. You sell your herd of cows, 5 of them, at the Klamath auction for $190 CWT, and the total weight of the herd is 4,500 pounds, and the commission is 0.043 or 4.3%. How many CWT in 4,500 pounds? CWT is hundredweight. Take your 4,500 and divide it by 100. So for this problem, take your 4,500 pounds and divide that by 100. And you should get 45. Look at the image. Which button would you select to enter new vaccination information or any information about the care and management of Brutus? Well, let's see if we can zoom this thing in a little bit. Here, new herd entry. And then we can go into that and make some adjustments to activity that has occurred regarding these animals. Which button would you select to enter vet visit information about one or both of the listed animals? Well, we would select management operation. Please choose. And then it's a vet visit. There it is right there. Vet visit. Management operation. Please choose vet visit. Which button would you select to enter new vaccination information for just Josie? If it's just for Josie, then we would enter animals individually at this location. You sell your herd of 5 cows at the Klamath auction for $190 CWT, and the total weight of the herd is 4,675.3 pounds. And the commission is 4.3%. How many CWT in 4,675.3 pounds? So once again, find this out. We have to divide by 100, the hundredweight there. So if you divide that by 100, the effect is to move that decimal place 2 places over, 1, 2, and that would give you 46.753 CWT. So you would go ahead and type that in. This is a fill in the blank question. 46.753 CWT. However, in your answer, you don't have to put this. I didn't make that part of the key. So if you just put 46.753, that's what you want to put. Which button would you select to enter new vaccination information for the herd consisting of both Brutus and Josie? Let's take a look at that. Here, if it's for for both of them, we would go to management operation, please choose. And then that would affect all the animals that are listed here. You sell your herd of cows at the Klamath auction, $190 CWT. The total weight is 4,500 pounds. Commission is 4.5%. How much is the commission? Okay, so let's go through this one. First of all, we need to know how many CWT we're dealing with. So we've done that a few times already. And once again, because we know it's CWT per hundredweight, we just can simply go, okay, we're going to move that decimal place 2 places over. So now we know we got 45 CWT. And our selling price is $190 per CWT. So we're going to multiply that 45 times 190. And if you're doing this, as you watch this, you would calculate $8,550. And the question, though, is asking how much is the commission. So then we're going to have to multiply it times this value here. So that's going to be times 0.045. You could, on your calculator, type in 4.3%, Make sure you press the percent key. If you do that, it's a good habit to get into, to know that that percentage is converted to a decimal, 0.045. Move it 2 places to the left. And I calculate $384.75. That's what I calculate. Let's see if it's right. Here we go. You sell your herd of 5 cows at the Klamath auction, 190 CWT, total weight 4,500 pounds again. This time the commission is 4.3%. How much is the commission? Well, we had already done this calculation in the previous problem. So our sale was for 8,550. This one is times 0.043. $367.65. Looks like that one there. Alright, so we're given a bunch of information in this one, but the question really is right here. How many CWT in 5,400 pounds? Which is not even related to any of this. So once again, take that decimal place there, divide by 100. You would divide that by 100 and move 2 places to the left. 54 CWT. Which will you select to move Lawless into the breeding herd manager? There's Lawless. He's a sire plus sire. How much is the payment for 11-1? So the payment is going to consist of the principal paid plus the interest. So it should be the $65.48 plus $40.59. $65.48 plus $40.59. If you only had the information provided in this image, what would be the value of net income? This is where we need to know debits and credits. Here are the debits, which would be indicated here on the left side. Therefore, expenses increase with debits. So here's the debit side here. Here's the credit side. So this would be our revenue, sales. So we need to add all of these up and then subtract these 3 values here. So here we should get a total of $32.95. And then these expenses should total $1,106.07. And if we subtract those, subtract this from this, that should be $21.88.93. Let's see if we have that in there. That one. That would be the value of net income. What is the reason for not having any entries in the credit column? Once again, the debit and credit rules. There's debits, expenses. Credits would be revenue, sales. So the reason would be there is no revenue, no sales transactions. Well, there it is right there. No income transactions for this SAE. Study the image. What is the remaining loan balance? Take this loan amount, subtract the principal paid. Remember, the interest is an expense, so that would not decrease the amount owed. So 10,000 minus 566 and 11 cents. This one. Back to the cows. 5 cows, 190 CWT, total weight $4,500. What amount of proceeds did you receive? This would be the amount of money that you actually receive. All right, so 45 times 190. That's the first thing to do. That's the 8,550. Times the 0.043. And that will give us our commission amount, $367.65. So then, in order to get the proceeds, this would be the actual amount of money you receive from the auction. You're going to take the total amount of the sale and subtract the commission. This program doesn't like my pen. So once you do that, I get 818, 8,182, 35 cents. Come on. This is what you should get here. Sell your cows, 190 CWT, or 5,400 pounds. How much is the commission? So this is going to be the 54 times the 190. Get that sales value, and then multiply it times 4.3% or times 0.043. And I get $441.18. Hopefully that's the one you calculated right there. I think that's the end.